Hello and welcome to our new session, that is anti-tubercular drug. This is part 2. In part 1st we already seen that introduction to anti-tubercular drug, a mechanism of action, classification of anti-tubercular drug. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, lecturer in K.K. Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. In this we are going to learn about the name of anti-tubercular drug according to IUPAC system, to recognize the different anti-tubercular drug on the basis of structure, physical property and uses, and to recognize the official preparation with brand name. First drug is para-amino salicylic acid, which is also called PAS. Mechanism of action, it is act by inhibition of folate synthetase. This is the structure of para-amino salicylic acid. Chemical name is para-amino salicylic acid or para-amino 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Physical property, it is white to pale yellow, odorless crystalline powder. It is slightly acidic in taste and it is soluble in water but very soluble in alkali and dilute nitric acids. Chemical properties, it undergoes diazotization reaction at 0 to 10 degrees Celsius when heated with sodium nitrate and HCl. Primary aromatic amino group is converted to diazo compound. When sodium nitrite is reacted with HCl, it forms NaCl plus nitrous acid, and this nitrous acid when reacted with compound containing primary aromatic group, it get converted into diazo compound. Second chemical property, when PAS is heated with soda lime, decarboxylation reaction occurs and gives meta-amino phenol. This is para-amino salicylic acid. When it is reacted with sodium hydroxide, that is soda lime, it get converted into meta-amino phenol. Third chemical reaction, to reduce acidic irritation produced by PAS, when given orally, it is converted into first ester by treating with alcohol in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, and second N-acetyl derivative by treating with benzoyl chloride. When benzoyl chloride is reacted with PAS, it gives N-acetyl derivative of PAS. Then storage, it affected by light and hence it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses, it is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and it is used in the combination with other anti-tubercular drug like streptomycin and isoniazid. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in amino salicylic acid tablet, amino salicylate sodium tablet, amino salicylate potassium tablet, amino salicylate calcium tablet, amino salicylate calcium capsule, and benzoyl PAS calcium tablets. Brand names are Edipas, Isopar and Benzapas. Next drug is ethambutol. It shows tuberculostatic activity. It is fast multiplying bacilli are more susceptible. Fast multiplying bacilli are most susceptible to ethambutol. Mechanism of action, it interfering with mycolic acid incorporation in mycobacterial cell wall, so they inhibit the mycobacterium, and it is excreted through renal excretion. This is the structure of ethambutol. Chemical name bis 1-hydroxymethylpropyl ethylene diamine or N-bis 1,1-hydroxymethylpropyl ethylene diamine. Physical property, it is white odorless crystalline powder. It has bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water and alcohol, slightly soluble in chloroform and practically insoluble in ether. Chemical property, when aqueous solution of ethambutol is treated with copper sulfate solution and this solution made alkaline on addition of sodium hydroxide, a distinct blue color is produced. Storage, it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses, it has bacteriostatic action against mycobacteria and it is used in combination with other anti-tubercular drug like pyrazinamide, isoniazid and rifampicin. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in ethambutol tablet, ethambutol powder, isoniazid and ethambutol tablet. Brand names myambutol, albutol and libutol. Next drug is thioacetazone. It is a thiosemicarbazone of para-acetamidobenzaldehyde. Physical property, it is pale yellow, odorless crystalline powder. It is bitter in taste and it is very slightly soluble in water. Chemical property, when its solution in 6 normal sodium hydroxide boiled with lead acetate solution for 1 minute, a black PPT of lead sulfate is produced. It undergoes hydrolysis and diazotization reaction followed by coupling with 2-naphthol in alkaline medium to give red colored dye. Storage, it is affected by light and hence it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses, it is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and leprosy. It is used in combination with other anti-tubercular drugs like streptomycin and isoniazid. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in thioacetazone tablet and the brand names are thioprimizone, thiosevit and decatazone. Next drug is ethionamide. This is the structure of ethionamide. In this, parent heterocyclic ring is pyridine and chemical name is 2-ethylpyridine 4-carbethiamide. Physical property, it is white to pale yellow with slight odor, crystalline powder. It has unpleasant taste and it is practically insoluble in water. Storage, it is affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in the treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis which is resistant to isoniazid. It is also antibacterial agent and it is used in the treatment of urinary tract infection. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in ethambutol tablet and brand name is Ethinex. Next drug is pyrazinamide. Mechanism of action, pyrazinamide is act by inhibiting mycolic acid synthesis, that is cell wall synthesis inhibition. Structure, this is the structure of pyrazinamide in which pyrazine is a parent heterocyclic ring. Chemical name is pyrazine 2-carbexamide. Physical property, it is white, odorless crystalline powder. It is slightly bitter in taste and it is sparingly soluble in water and alcohol but soluble in chloroform and ether. Storage, it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses, it has bacteriostatic action against mycobacteria and it is active against strain which are resistant to other tubercular drug. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in pyrazinamide tablet, brand name Zinamide Pyrade Pyrena 500. Next drug is cycloserine or it is also called seromycin. This is the structure of cycloserine. It is 4-amino-1,1-oxalidine 3-on ring. Mechanism of action, it interfere with cell wall synthesis. Chemical name is 4-amino-1,2-oxazolidine 3-1. Physical property, it is white to pale white odorless crystalline powder. It is bitter in taste. It is hygroscopic and freely soluble in water. Storage, as it is hygroscopic and affected by light, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container at a temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Uses, it is used in the treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis. It is also an antibacterial agent and it is used in the treatment of urinary tract infection. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in cycloserine tablet and cycloserine capsule. Brand name are cyclocin and themiserine. Next drug is streptomycin. This shows tuberculocidal activity. It acts only on extracellular bacilli because of poor penetration into cell. It penetrates tubercular cavities but does not crosses the CSF and has poor action in acidic medium. Streptomycin irreversibly binds to 16S RNA and S12 protein within the bacterial 30S ribosomal subunit. Streptomycin is an aminoglycoside antibiotic and derived from Streptomyces griseus with antibacterial activity. It contains three basic units. First, streptodin, second, streptose, and third, streptosquamine. It is also contain two strongly polar and basic guanidino group and one weakly basic methylamino group. Disadvantages of streptomycin: needs for intramuscular injection, lower margin of safety, ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity. Streptomycin is used only an alternative to or in addition to other first-line anti-tubercular drug. Use is restricted to maximum of 2 months, thus labeled as supplemental first-line drug. Properties: it is white to pale white odorless crystalline powder. It is bitter in taste. It is very soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, and it is strongly basic. Storage: it is affected by moisture and light. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container at a temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Uses: it is broad-spectrum antibiotic and antibacterial. Hence, it is used orally to treat large intestinal infection, intramuscularly to treat all the type of tuberculosis, and intrathecally to treat tubercular meningitis. Pharmaceutical preparation: streptomycin tablet, streptomycin injection. Brand names: Chlorostrep, Enterostrep, Lycostrep, and Streptomex. Next drug is rifampin. It is also called rifampicin. It shows bactericidal to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Both extra and intracellular organisms are affected. Rifampicin binds to bacterial DNA-dependent RNA polymerase and thereby inhibiting RNA synthesis. Rifampin A, B, C, D, E were obtained from Streptomycin mediferis. It is semi-synthetic analog of rifamycin B and belong to chemical class Anasamycin. Amongst the different natural and semi-synthetic rifamycin, only rifampicin is well absorbed when taken orally. However, food markedly reduces its absorption. Hence it is administered on an empty stomach. Property: it is brick red or reddish brown color crystalline powder. It is bitter in taste. It is very slightly soluble in water and alcohol but soluble in chloroform, and it is unstable in presence of moisture. As it is affected by moisture and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container in an atmosphere of nitrogen at a temperature not exceeding 50 degrees Celsius. Uses: it is broad spectrum antibiotic and antibacterial. Hence it is used in the treatment of tuberculosis. It is also used to treat biliary infection and to treat tubercular meningitis. Pharmaceutical preparation: it is available in rifamycin capsule and the brand name are Rimpin and Ripacin. Thank you so much for watching this video.